Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to download the SoFi mobile app in 2025. If you want to manage your money, invest, or check your loans all in one place, I'll show you exactly how to install and set up the SoFi app step by step. Let's get started. First, open your App Store if you're using iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on Android. In the search bar, tap SoFi. Look for the official app with the blue SoFi logo by Social Finance and tap Install or Get. Once it finishes downloading, tap Open to launch the app. On the home screen, tap Sign In if you already have an account or Get Started if you're new. If you're signing in, enter your email and password, then tap Login. For new users, follow the prompts to verify your identify. Create your SoFi account and set up your security details. After setup, you can easily check balances, invest, transfer funds, or manage loans right from your phone. And that's you how to download and install the SoFi mobile app in 2025. It's fast, secure, and perfect for managing your finances on the go. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.